Your work experience section is the first place most recruiters look. Here's how to fill it out in Rezi. Start with your job title and company name. Use the name the company is commonly known by. No need for the full legal name. Add your start and end dates and your location using standard abbreviations. City and state is enough for most roles. For the description, use bullet points rather than paragraphs. Click Generate Bullet to create an accomplishment-focused point based on your role. Or use Generate Bullet with key numbers to get a version with measurable results built in. Already have bullet points written? Highlight one and select Rewrite Bullet to get stronger alternatives with better wording and more relevant keywords. Add each relevant position using the plus icon. Focus on your 3 to 5 most recent and relevant roles. When you're done, head to Finish Up and Preview to review your experience, check your Rezi score, and use AI keyword targeting to make sure your bullet points include the right terms for the role. That's the work experience section, the part of your resume that does the most heavy lifting in your job search.